On Tuesday morning, we'll still see some moisture push in over the far eastern part of the country, resulting in morning fog patches and even drizzle along the eastern escarpment. We're also expecting fog along the west coast, but that's due to the low pressure moving along South Africa's coastline. We're forecasting a hot day for the Northern Cape on Tuesday, with a toasty Tuesday in store, with warmer weather moving in over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, and isolated thundershowers expected over the eastern part of the country, with some evening rain expected along the Eastern Cape coast. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with that band of isolated thundershowers extending through Gauteng, as well as most of the northwest, Free State and Mpumalanga, as well as parts of Limpopo and KwaZulu-Natal, with a slight chance of thundershowers as we head towards the KZN coast, and a slight chance of evening rain along the Eastern Cape coast. We're also expecting a slight chance of rainfall for the Overberg on Tuesday. Here's our maximum temperature map, with a sizzling hot day for Uppington at 41, 38 degrees for Kimberley, with daytime highs heading into the mid-30s for De Aar, Bloemfontein and Mahikeng. Johannesburg and Cape Town both topping 28, with a warm day in store along the coast between George and East London, all in the mid-20s, and around 30 degrees for Pretoria, Bombela and Polokwane. As we head out to the west coast, you'll see moderate beach conditions, and that's due to the fog along the west coast, with a light to moderate onshore westerly component to the wind, and here we're expecting a 1.5 metre swell, with wave heights between 1 and 3 feet. Good beach conditions in the southwest though, with a fresh southeasterly wind between Cape Agulhas and False Bay. More of a southerly component to the wind for the Cape Town Atlantic side, and here we're expecting a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell, with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. Along the south coast, we can expect warm weather and a moderate east-southeasterly wind, with good beach conditions in the forecast, and we're expecting low tide at around 6:30 in the evening for Mossel Bay. Along the south coast, we can expect a 2-metre swell, with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. We're also expecting good beach conditions between the Wild Coast and Durban, with a moderate northeasterly wind in the forecast, but with those wind speeds picking up as we head towards Richards Bay, so moderate beach conditions there. And we can also expect a small swell here of only 1.5 metres, with waves between 1 and 3 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Tuesday.
News that moves. eNCA.com.